All right, so quick tip for chopping garlic. They're still in the wrapper there. You want to make sure that you crush them with your knife. You want to make sure that the blade is facing away from you. Set it flat on top, and then you want to give it a smash. Same thing with the other. And then take off all that paper. Easy peasy. Throw it in our little scrap bin. If there's any bruising, we can trim that off. And if there's any little brown spots, you can see there's a brown spot there. Trim that off. So what we're doing by crushing it is we're breaking the membrane and we're releasing all of the allicin. So that's what's good for our respiratory system, and that's what brings out all the flavor. So once it's smashed, what's going to help more of that come out, all of its natural oils, and in that the allicin, we're going to put some of our kosher salt. We're going to sort of exfoliate it, kind of work it in there, smear it in there, kind of break it up a little bit, get in there, and then we're going to rock and chop. And in about 2 to 3 minutes, this is going to become a garlic paste. And every rock and chop, sort of clean off your knife, bring all the garlic back together, and do that sort of exfoliating smear move again, and continue to rock and chop. I can already see lots of sort of juices and oils coming right out. All right, woo, strong garlic. Smash, 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 clean it off, bring it back together. Oh yeah, and we're almost there. Beautiful. It's literally coming together like a paste. I'm gonna get this. Like it's juicy. Oh, perfect. Easy peasy.